Near Protocol, NEAR, is a coin that is as of now exchanged at $5.25 per unit, with a market capitalization of $3,695,895,900 that makes it a mid-position digital money. Computerized resources like Near Protocol have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for huge institutional financial backers who see Near Protocol and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy. Hence, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable necessity for any broker and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. Be that as it may, with it comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is going on and have some feeling representing things to come. This Near Protocol cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and keep the value band developing. In any case, prior to digging into the overall Near Protocol examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and speculation. What is Near Protocol? Near Close to Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain that was planned as a local area-run distributed computing stage, and that disposes of a portion of the constraints that have been stalling contending blockchains, for example, low exchange speeds, low throughput and unfortunate interoperability. This gives the best climate to dapps and makes an engineer and easy-to-understand stage. For example, Near utilizes intelligible record names, not at all like the cryptographic wallet tends to normal to ethereum. Close additionally acquaints novel arrangements with scaling issues and has its own agreement instrument called Doomslig. Near Protocol is being worked by the Near Collective, People Group is refreshing the underlying code and delivering updates to the biological system. Its pronounced objective is to fabricate a stage that is sufficiently secure to oversee high-worth resources like cash or personality and performant enough to make them valuable for regular individuals. Flux, a convention that permits engineers to make markets in light of resources, items, certifiable occasions, and mintbase, a NFT stamping stage, are instances of undertakings being based on Near Protocol. The Near Protocol saw a startling 40% drop as of now, as the market chief stayed beneath $30k as for day-to-day cost activity. The NER coin is exchanging over the $5.0 mark as the last fence zone for the bulls. The Near crypto with the Bitcoin pair is down 30% at 0.002067 satoshis. On June 3, the cost of Near Protocol remained at $5.62 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.86% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing value. A week prior, on May 28, the Near Protocol market remained at $4.79 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on May 4, Near Protocol was estimated at $12.99, which concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Near Protocol, it addresses a 59.60% cost move. Near Protocol coin saw a sharp convention in March, where the crypto rose more than every available ounce of effort to its April highs. Conversely, the Near digital money has been on a downfall since its April high of $19.7, with a 70% drop in under 40 days. Close to Protocol coin saw an unexpected drop in cost the previous evening, with a drop of more than 31% in the intraday exchanging meeting. The decay brought the digital money under a 6-month low of $6.0. The bulls consequently neglected to close the everyday cost following 14 weeks. The Near crypto week after week flame is showing a downfall of more than half in cost. In this way, financial backers fear a recuperation endeavor. In this way, the Near coin is exchanging at $5.5, which is around 40% lower according to CMC information, throughout the previous 24 hours. In the meantime, the market capitalization fell by $3.7 billion. Besides, the Bitcoin pair with near crypto is down 30% at 0.002067 Satoshis. The 200 EMA, white, was a significant fence region for the bulls, yet presently the crypto is looking underneath the terrifically significant EMAs including 2050,100 as well as 200. By the by, exchanging volume got around 63% contrasted with the earlier evening. Who are the founders of Near Protocol? Near Close to Protocol was established by Eric Trotman, a business person with experience on Wall Street and pioneer behind Viking education. His prime supporters were Ilya Polosykhin, who has over a decade of industry experience, including 3 years at Google, and Alexander Skidanov, a PC researcher that worked at Microsoft and proceeded to join Memschool, where he turned into the overseer of designing. Close to Protocol has a broad group of experienced engineers that incorporates a few international collegiate programming contest (ICPC) gold medalists and champs. The group professes to have individuals with experience of building a portion of the main genuine world sharded frameworks at scale, an answer the convention is seeking after to improve blockchain versatility. On June 3, the market capitalization of Near Protocol remained at $3,953,893,248. Last week, on May 28, the aggregate sum of capital gave to Near Protocol was laid out at $3,347,721. The information from a month prior, enlisted on May 4, shows that Near Protocol had a market capitalization of $8,789,529,375. Total supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and are either circling available or secured in designers' or alternately holders' Chile wallets. The complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange. The complete stock of Near Protocol right now remains at 100,000,000,000 near. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Near Protocol market added up to $264,304,857. On June 3, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $403,455,066. A week prior, on May 28, the force of Near Protocol exchanging all through the meeting came to 564